Quit crying like precipitation. Lay your bitch ass back into Cradle Nation. Prestidigitation, hands in your face, you don't know what to say, man. Slide a hand, I can make my ops turn into fans. Yeah, the man on the moon, he sees the boy in blue. The old man keeps snoring, he ain't feeling you. Rain, rain, go away, it's way overdue. Yeah, I know a few tricks like bending silver spoons. Yeah, I know, yeah, I know. Yeah, I know my fast fingers, they can be elusive. The thought of ending things, I know it's not intrusive. Just buzzing in my head, yeah, that's my intro music. I don't pay for power, I just abuse it. Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that rabbits, they don't come from hats. How can I be casting spells if I can't spell like that? I can't keep treating this shit like it's sweet as tricky. They said I got one wish and I asked for a blicky. If you wish upon a star, then you can't become one. If you wanna stay alive, then keep a gun. If you want it to aim bullets, I'ma make it storm. Talking about some sprinkle bitch, I'ma make it pour. What? I'ma make it pour.
My Beretta blows like a cigarette. She want me to hit, I hit the cigarette. The world wants to smoke, I light a cigarette. I need to forget, I need a cigarette. Fuck, I need a cigarette. Fuck, I need a cigarette. Fuck, I need a cigarette.
Like an unrelenting memory, it all comes flooding back to you. Your head is underwater, but for the first time, you can see. Let me ask you this. On your travels, did you take every turn? Did you search high and low? Did you journey the seas for all they're worth? Or did you only do the bare minimum to keep yourself afloat?